From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the Bitcoin market and the euro. You can see Bitcoin has kind of just hung out here underneath 40,000 again. Bitcoin's kind of where money's going to die at the moment. It's not really doing anything. We have the Fed meeting on Wednesday coming up, and that, of course, is going to produce, most people think it's going to produce a rate hike. That's not a surprise. It's going to be the statement. Is it hawkish? Is it dovish? That's going to determine what happens with the US dollar, which by extension will determine what happens with risk appetite. So you need a dovish Fed to bail you out here. Otherwise, we're probably just going to hang out here. Euro initially tried to rally, gave up gains. The euro is going to need to see a dovish Fed as well, but the ZU in Germany came out like at negative 39.1 or something, and it was supposed to be positive 5. I mean, that is so far off. It's like 7 or 8 standard deviations. So that is so far off the market. That shows you just how bad things might get in Europe. And if that's the case, look out below. Right now, if we do get a rally, I think it's going to be a selling opportunity unless the Federal Reserve explicitly says they're not going to raise rates. I just don't see that happening with inflation being the way it is. And it is an election year. And don't forget, the American Fed is highly politicized. So 111 would be a major resistance barrier to 112. If we get a rally up to that area, I'd be all over it to the short side. If we break 112, then okay, I might have to rethink everything. But you can see how we struggled during the day. It still looks like a fade the rally scenario.